Mastering prepositions of manner. With, by, in. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to be focusing on an important aspect of grammar, prepositions of manner. In particular, we'll be diving into three key prepositions: with, by, and in. We'll learn how to use these prepositions to form manner-related prepositional phrases. Let's get started. Prepositions of manner describe how something is done. They provide more details about the method or way in which an action takes place. In English, common prepositions of manner include with, by, and in. Let's take a closer look at each one of these. The preposition with is often used to express the means or instrument used to perform an action. For example, he cut the paper with scissors. I wrote the note with a pen. In both cases, with introduces the tool or object used to carry out the action. The preposition by often refers to a method, means, or way in which something is done. For example, I travel to work by bus. She learned Spanish by practicing every day. Here, by tells us the means or method used to achieve something. The preposition in is generally used to express the state or condition of someone or something. It's often used with adjectives to form phrases. For example, he did his homework in a hurry. She left the room in a mess. In these examples, in shows the state or condition in which an action was performed or a situation exists. So, that's it for today's video on prepositions of manner. We've covered the usage of with, by, and in. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these prepositions, so be sure to use them in your daily conversations and writing. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Keep learning and see you in our next video.